We're looking at some severe weather going on this evening. We can see a couple more interesting things on radar, and I'm going to show them to you. Currently, we have this by Amarillo, Texas. Somebody's like, "What is that?" You know, and what are those little things right there? Well, the little things that look like little spikes coming out of there, that is the radar beam in Amarillo. You know, Amarillo is a pretty decent sized city, and the radar beams are near the city's buildings, and it's bouncing off of them. It's kind of a combination of that, and I think it might be a little bit too because when the sun starts to set, sometimes the beams can bounce off the sun rays as it's setting. I've seen that happen before too. But you'll also notice here's a whole bunch of these things not moving right there. Now, anybody that lives in Amarillo, Texas, will tell you exactly what those are. Kind of like what we saw in the other video up in north central Indiana. You got more wind farms out there, and that's what you have out there, and the radar beams are bouncing off of those. But this right here, this little thing here that looks strange, it's not strange at all. And I'm going to show you why. I'm going to pull it on the spot here so you can see it. See the process, go to analysis. We're going to go to, let's see here. We're going to go to surface maps. Let's do the station plots directly. And that was in the north central part of Texas. There in the Panhandle, near Amarillo. Well, we can hit Texas. Okay, so that's up in here. Okay, so what that is you've got temperatures in red, and then the temperature they have to cool to form moisture at the surface, and that's the dew point temperature. So temperature 74, dew point 62. Look at here. Look at to the west of that boundary, or where that boundary is heading for as it moves out of the Texas Panhandle. 83 degrees, dew point 25. Big difference, you know. When you have a big temperature dew point spread like that, you have drier air. So we line that up pretty close to where it is. To the east of that, the air is humid. To the west of it, it's dry. This is essentially a front between dry air and moist air. We call it the dry line.